So I'll use cursor. If you guys are curious, I mean, for this stuff, I'm a little bit indifferent, but I created the vibe1 directory, so we're gonna do it here. Let's create a Vite React JS chat GPT-style prompt to talk to an LLM. Use template text to start. Keep it super simple for now. All right, boom. Let's do it. Cursor, vibe code away. I mean, I hate this. Like, why does it? I mean, that drives me nuts every single time. Is it calling it vibe1? Ah, cursor, you failed me. You failed me. It's pretty crazy that we just got 3 completely different results right there. But I mean, what are you gonna do? So guys, I'm a electrical computer engineer. I'm not a web designer. So please keep the design feedback to yourself. I'm doing my best here. All right, boom. All right, so it's doing a window. Oh my God, I'm Claude, an assistant. I mean, obviously, since I'm using Claude as the thing. All right, so it's gonna accept stuff from us, etc., etc. Please tell me it's just no. All right. Anyway, I mean, that's not terrible. That's not terrible. All right, so I do have my API key in the buffer. So let's do also create an env sample. Let's use Vite C3 API key for the C3 API key. I told it not to run, but it still demands to run the thing. All right, so that one's good. So let's see what we got. Let's see over here. So it should be over here. So let's try it. Where's our window? Oh man. Oh, it actually did it. No way. Is it up here? Oh man, that's pretty baller. All right, so let's try it. Let's do a test. And actually, I'll immediately open up the window. Let's see if it did it. See if it did it. Oh, and I'm happy to help with any test. No, so let's do the following. You should now actually send queries using post to the inferencing backend. Remove any boilerplate responses, do the real deal, and include the C3 API key in the request. You can use Vite. I want to see. I don't know why it immediately thought to like include it here. I mean, I don't even know if that's correct or not. I mean, so let's see. All right, let's run that, and then let's go back over here. Let's try it again. Hello. What model are you? I still have a feeling it's replying locally, or is it? No, it might actually be sending it to the backend. It did. Did it send it to the backend? Let's see. Usage choices. Wait, what's the one? So here, completions. Wait, what's the response? 0. Hello, how are you? Oh man, it actually responded. All right, so let's do write me a 500 word or write me a 280 character tweet about how amazing compute AI is. It's the hottest AI crypto token on Solana. Boom. Let's see if it does it. Boom. Boom, it's working, and this is actually coming in from the backend. So this is using the inference backend. I mean, so it's actually spinning up. It's actually using, it's actually creating, sending queries to the backend, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so for the love of God, it will not stop. It will not stop launching stuff. Don't add any features I do not ask for. Follow my instructions exactly. We have a fully working project. So what am I going to do? Inspector. Let's get the inspector in a view, and I'm going to launch a large instance. So let's go down here. Going to make it slightly smaller. Boom. There we go. Going to launch the large instance. So there, boom, boom, boom. All right. So first thing, we got this prompt request. So I'm going to do the following. So I'm going to do the following. I'm just going to do copy value as curl POSIX. Here is launching the GPU. Here is seeing what, GPUs are running. All right, so let's get the workload real quickly. Let's do this one. Here's the workloads. Boom, 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 boom. All right, and then let's also do stopping the GPU, or I'm saying that, but here is stopping. Is it 2-piece? It doesn't matter. It's an LLM, guys. Stop it. I think it's 2-piece. The GPU. So let's do that, and then let's grab it from over here. So I'm gonna go to stop, and then we should get a stop over here, and then let's do POSIX. Boom. And then actually I copied did I copy the request? Okay, wait, I'm confused. That's launching the GPU. Okay, so this one, the workloads we gotta fix. Wait, I'm confused. Yeah, but and then the workloads, we care about the response, right? So here we need the response. So let's go back to workloads and give it like a example response. So here, let's just do response raw. No. All right, let's go back. Where do we have running GPUs? So like here was the running one. Let's copy that. All right, let's do that. So I would say it should be able to parse this. So let's give it a shot. Send it. Oh no, I didn't think about it. All right, yes. So we have to. The problem is, guys, typical problem. What's the issue? Of course, it's course issue, because we actually run a reasonable course on the API for this. We make sure that it's star compute AI. I just want to make sure that it's. I've had issues. I don't know if Vite fixed it, but I'm always cautious when I'm adding env variables. All right, perfect. So it says no GPU active. So let's do Llama Web UI large. Let's do launch GPU. Boom, launching GPU, boom. All right, active, boom, boom. I like all of it. Let's check over here. Let's check in this interface. Did it actually launch it? It did. We launched a GPU, guys. We launched a GPU. All right, so it's updating the MD. I mean, I will not fault it. For that. All right, so let's do hello world. Okay, let's try it. Boom, is it gonna work? Yes. The query has fired. Okay, so here we got the post. That's the pre-flight. All right, perfect. No, wait. That's the workloads, completions. All right, yeah, because it hasn't come back yet. Oh, yeah. And check this out. Just in case you have any doubts. Let's go over here. I'm going to do NVIDIA SMI. And so you guys can see we loaded up the GPU, so we're using like 45 gigs of the GPU right now. So it is actually working. It is on this physical GPU that we're running. We just use the public inferencing API. Number one, use the world's best inferencing API. Guys, by the way, if you want specific models like DeepSeek or anything like that, let us know. Personally, we're big fans of Noose Research and Hermes. We use Hermes 3 for all our agents that we run, so we recommend you guys try Hermes. That was super easy to implement. So the first thing that we did is use the public inferencing API. Obviously, those GPUs are running. We didn't have to launch them or anything like that. What do we do here? We launch the freaking GPU. We launch our own GPU on compute. I don't even know where it is in the world. It's somewhere in the world, guys. It's somewhere on planet Earth. This GPU is running, and it's running our inferencing API. Distributed compute, follow the infra compute AI.